9:45. Nothing goes off.
Nothing is not happening.
His head used to look like a muffin. Oh yeah. Like the way his hair was shaped, that it would go back and it would just come out like a muffin. Yeah. Right out of the oven.
Come on, Bald Hill. Come on, Cheap. Come on. Should set it off already. Come on. Come on. 10, 9, 8. Come on. Let's go.
There it goes.
Oh, there it is.
There it goes. At 45. He was right.
Come on, do more. There we go.
Ooh. Getting this on video?
Yes.
You were right. I am 45. Yeah.
After I said cheap ass, that's when it went off.
Oh yeah, I know, right? Are we really that far away? What? Oh, no. Yeah, because like that, the delay is crazy. It's like a 2-second delay. What, the sound? Yeah. Boom. Boom. Then oh yeah. It's literally right behind here. How far are we away from here? I'll tell you right now. We're 5 minutes away. We're not that far.
Yeah, but to get into this Bald Hill, you had to pay like, what, $10 for parking?
No, free parking.
Oh.